Welcome to Professional Certifications channel. Today we're starting with the most used section in PCS Section 0, Medical and Surgical. If you're coding procedures like appendectomies, hysterectomies, amputations, or joint replacements, this is where you'll be spending most of your time. Let's explore how it works.
1. What is Section 0? Section 0 of ICD 10 PCS covers all operative procedures performed by manual or instrumental means that involve cutting, excision, resection, repairing, sutures, replacements, removing amputations, removals, putting something in, transplants, grafts. You'll find these codes in inpatient settings like surgery, operating rooms, and critical care units.
2. PCS Code Structure. PCS codes in Section 0 have 7 characters. Let's break them down using an example. Example code 0FT44ZZ. This is a resection of the liver via open approach. First character, 0 section, medical and surgical. Second character, F, body system, hepatobiliary system, and pancreas. Third character, T, root operation, resection. Fourth character, 4, body part, liver, left. Fifth character, 4, approach, open. Sixth character, Z, device, none. Seventh character, Z, qualifier, none. Each of these tells part of the story. The root operation is the heart of the procedure code.
3. Root operations. Root operations define what is actually being done. Here are the most common ones in Section 0. Excision. B. Cutting out part of a body part, e.g. tumor removal. Resection T. Cutting out an entire body part, e.g. lobectomy. Removal P. Taking out a device or object, e.g. removing a central line. Insertion H. Putting in a device, e.g. pacemaker. Replacement R. Putting in a new device in place of something removed. Fusion, G. Joining body parts, e.g. spinal fusion. Bypass 1. Rerouting contents, e.g. coronary bypass. Repair Q. Restoring to normal without replacing or removing anything. Transplantation. Y. Putting in a living body part from another person. Each root operation has its own clinical definition and guidelines. Make sure the documentation supports what's coded.
4. Coding example walkthrough. Let's walk through a real-world coding example. Procedure: laparoscopic cholecystectomy, removal of the gallbladder using minimally invasive surgery. First character, Section 0, medical and surgical. Second character, body system, F, hepatobiliary system. Third character, root operation, B, excision, part of organ. Fourth character, body part, B, gallbladder. Fifth character, approach, forecutaneous endoscopic. Sixth character, device, Z, none. Seventh character, qualifier, Z, none. Final code, 0FB44ZZ. Always check for documentation that confirms the approach and extent of the procedure.
5. Coding tips. Here are some tips to help you get Section 0 codes right. Know the root operations. They're the foundation of PCS coding. Use the operative report especially for approach, device, and whether it was partial or total. Don't confuse excision with resection. Double-check laterality and approach types. Use official PCS guidelines and codebooks or encoders to confirm your selections.
And that's your crash course on Section 0, Medical and Surgical, in ICD 10 PCS. This section is used every day in coding departments, and mastering it will level up your accuracy and confidence as an inpatient coder.
In the next video, we'll cover Section 1, Obstetrics Procedures Related to Labor and Delivery. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and drop your questions in the comments.